Assalamu alaikum friends, Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are happy and well. So in today's video, make your table magical this Christmas with a reindeer centerpiece. You can use a wooden reindeer as a glitter reindeer or even a cute stuffed one. Place candles, pin cones, and small ornaments around it. Add fairy lights to make it spark. You can also put the reindeer in the middle of a vase with red berries and green leaves. Simple, beautiful, and perfect for holiday dinners. Viewers and cute and cozy. Bring Christmas cheer to your table with the reindeer centerpiece. Use a small reindeer figure and around it with snow like cotton. Add mini tree, red bow, and golden bells. Your table will look cozy and full of holiday spirit. Elegant style. Make your table shine with an elegant reindeer centerpiece. Place a silver or golden reindeer in the middle. Add candles, glass ornaments, and a touch of greenery. This makes your holiday dinner table look classic and bright. Natural look. Try a natural reindeer centerpiece. Use a wooden reindeer pin cones and a fresh pink branches. Add red berries and a small candles. It's simple, fresh, and feel just like Christmas in the forest. Viewers, fun and spark. Creative a fun reindeer centerpiece with glitter reindeer. Friends, friends, make your table shine with an elegant reindeer centerpiece. Place a silver golden reindeer in the middle. Add candles, glass ornaments, and a touch of greenery. This makes your holiday dinner table look classic and bright. Natural look. Try a natural reindeer centerpiece. Use a wooden reindeer pins and fresh branches. Add red berries and a small candles. It's simple, fresh, and feel just like Christmas in the forest. Creative a fun reindeer centerpiece with glitter reindeer. Place it on a mirror plate. Add shiny ornaments. Add fairy lights and fix your table will spark and make everyone smile. Friends, and reindeer candle glow reindeer. Place a reindeer in the center with all candles beside it. Add green leaves, red berries around. The warm light will make your table look magical. Friends, snow reindeer. Make a snow scene with a reindeer. We use white curtains or fake snow. Add mini trees and a lantern. It looks like a winter wonderland right on your table. Family friends, use cute reindeers as a centerpiece. Like let's add candy cash, ribbon, and little star. It's fun, colorful, and perfect for family Christmas and dinner. Friends, try a farmhouse style. Place a wooden reindeer with monsoon jar, candles, and pink cones. It gives a warm country Christmas feeling. Glam reindeer looks. Go for glam with a glitter reindeer. Add golden ornaments, shining beads, and a fairy lights. Your table will spark with holiday style. Mini reindeer group use 3 small reindeer together. Decorate with snowflakes, bow, and candles. It will look like Santa reindeer family on your table. Friends, and so viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel and thanks for watching my videos. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube.